Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Rolling with Lisa, and welcome to our Friday. We gonna do our Friday and a banana challenges, but now we have our beach vibe by Rolling by budgeting with Kim, and we only have like $5 to complete this challenge. I hope so. I hope I added everything up right in order to complete this challenge. But I hope everybody is doing well on this beautiful Friday evening. And guys, let's get started with this challenge right here. And it appears to me that we only need this 5 right here to be completed. So I have the $5 right here, and I'm going to mark off that one right there. Now we need to count this money and make sure when I add up everything, it says that we will be saving $99. And it's going to Miss Sparkle Eyes. $99. So let's see if we have the 99 in here. Ooh, I hope so. We had 5, and we had this 5, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 from last week. So we are going to put this in here. Like that, y'all. And let's make sure we have the $99 into this challenge. We have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Yes, we do. We could ding, ding, ding and put complete on back of here on May the 1st. Complete. On 5/1/26 for $99. And let's make sure we put the 99 up here. Save $99 going to Miss Sparkle Eyes Nonprofit. Woo! We got that out the way. That is a great savings. And this will be deposited next week. Now, guys, we're going to have to slide our, let's put a little bit more sort quick on the fingertips. And we have to pull out our Anna Banana Budget Challenge right here. This is the month of February that we are doing for today. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3. $23 coming in. If we need extra, we will add a little extra to this challenge. Now, we need a colored die and our D4, a D6, and a D3. And here's our colored die. Now what we do, we're going to roll this die, and whatever color it lands on, we look down here on the slip and see what dice we're going to roll to put into that challenge. So let's get started. I hope I said that right. We have a green, so we got to roll a D6. And we have 6 coming in. $6. Okay, we're going to roll again. We have a blue. A blue is a D3. Oh, D3 right here. And we have a 3 coming in. Let's roll again. We have a yellow. A yellow is a D3. Another D3. And we have another 3. Let's roll again. We have a yellow. Can you guys see this yellow right here? I'm sorry, it was in view. And we have another 3. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. And now we have 9, 12, plus 3 is $15 coming into this challenge. Let's get these two over here. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, $15 going along with this amount right here. This was $28 coming into this challenge. And this is for the month of February for right now. Ooh, yeah. The month of February, we have 25, 7, 9, 31, 33, 35, 37, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3. $43 coming into this one so far. And it is going to our 2026 challenges. Ooh, how we do that? Oh, we roll. We fold this up like this. We're going to fold it. Ooh, I hate folding money. But we're going to fold this because we got to fold. Wait, before we fold that. Before we fold that, we got to start on the month of May. Before we fold that, we're going to start on the month of May. And right here. It's a little light, but I could barely see it, but I can see it. I can see that we got 2 days right here that we going to have to roll for. So we're going to roll for these 2 days. We have a orange, which is a D6, and we get the D6 and we roll, and that is 4. A 4 is coming right there. We're going to roll again. We have a yellow that is a D3, and we have 3. So we have to put $7 into this one. I'm going to cut this one out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7 is coming in for this week. Now we are going to roll, and I forgot to do on this one, but we're going to roll for next week and see how much money we have to bring for next week. So we got 7 rolls we got to do. We have a yellow, which is a D3. It's a 1. 1 right there. We have another yellow, D3, which is a 2. We have a blue, which is a D3. And we have a 1. We have a orange, which is a D6. And we have a 5. A orange again. Ooh, which is a 1. I hope I could be a purple, which is a D4. And we have a 4 right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got one more row. One more row. Orange again, which is a D6. And we have a 2. So we are going to calculate and see how much we have to bring in for next week. For this row, we have 1, 2, which is 3, 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 6 is $16. 16, and this one was equal to 7. Okay, we have to bring in $16 next week for Anna Banana roll for your saving goals. $16 on that one. Now, let's take this back off and let's roll for this week for February and see how much we have to bring in. Orange, which is, did I move the slip? Yes, I did. It's a D6. And that's a 6. Oh my gosh, we starting off wrong. No. 6. A blue, which is a D3. And that's a 2. A blue again. 1. A orange, a D6. 5. A blue again, a D3. which is a 2. Okay, D4 don't want to get in for today. Orange, which is a D6, and that's 3. One more. A green, which is a D6, and that is a 1. So this week, okay, we had a total of 23 plus 5 for that was, so we had 23. So we just gonna add this row up for right now. So we had 5, 11, 14, 17, $20 for this week, which we already paid. I'm sorry, guys, the camera had cut off on me. But as I was saying, we have $43 coming in for this challenge for these first 2 weeks for February. And this week we rolled $20 for next week's savings for the month of February. And we rolled $16 for the month of May for next week's savings, which gives us $36 we have to bring in next Friday for our Anna Banana calendar challenges. But guys, with all that being said, always remember, I love you and God loves you too. And I will see y'all tomorrow for our side challenge and graduation challenge. I will talk to you all then. Have a blessed and safe weekend and continue to stay prayed up. Bye.